Welcome, Money Magnets, to an exhilarating episode on our channel. Today, behold the strategies to shape 2024 into your most financially rewarding year ever. So buckle up and prepare to turn this year into a true money magnet extravaganza. First up, Strategy 1, Financial Goal Setting. Allocate some quality time to devise clear and attainable financial goals for the year. It could be anything from saving for a dream vacation, clearing off a debt, or investing in future endeavors. Having well-outlined goals offers a roadmap to success. Remember, being specific is the secret. Divide those big goals into smaller, achievable steps, and witness the momentum build throughout the year. Next, Strategy 2, Smart Budgeting. Formulate a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Keep track of your income and expenses, pinpoint areas where you can reduce expenditure, and allocate funds towards your priorities. A thoughtfully planned budget lays the groundwork for financial success. Maintain discipline and marvel at how swiftly your financial situation can turn around. Moving on, Strategy 3, Diversify your income. In 2024, consider exploring multiple income streams. It could be initiating a side hustle, investing in stocks, or delving into real estate. Diversifying your income can provide a financial safety net and hasten your wealth-building journey. Remember, the more varied your income, the more resistant you become to economic fluctuations. Finally, Strategy 4, Educate yourself. The more knowledge you acquire, the more earning potential you unlock. Stay updated on personal finance, investment opportunities, and the latest market trends. Continual learning sets you up for success and empowers you to make sound financial decisions. Knowledge is the ultimate money magnet, so keep that learning flame ablaze. And there you have it, Money Magnets. 4 potent strategies to morph 2024 into the most financially successful year of your life. Set your goals, budget smartly, diversify your income, and keep learning. Remember, the journey to financial success begins with a single step. Thank you for tuning in today. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Money Magnet advice. Here's to making 2024 your best year yet. Until next time, stay financially fabulous.